Welcome to my channel.
Amazon Great Indian Festival 2022 sale. Best deals on gaming laptops, desktops, accessories. Amazon is offering up to 75% discount on gaming laptops, computers, and accessories during the Great Indian Festival 2022 sale. You can get your hands on products from brands like Asus, LG, HyperX, and more. Furthermore, SBI customers get the added benefit of an instant up to 10% discount on their purchases made during this festive season sale. There are also other bank, exchange, and no-cost EMI offers available to further sweeten the deal. Make sure to check these offers out before they expire. Amazon Great Indian Festival 2022 sale. Best deals on gaming laptops. HP Victus 16E, 56,990 rupees. The HP Victus 16E features a 16.1-inch Full HD IPS display. It is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor, paired with a dedicated AMD Radeon RX 5500 meters, 4GB graphics card. This gaming laptop is currently available with a 20% discount, with an additional exchange offer discount up to 14,500 rupees, buy now at 56,990 rupees, MRP Rs. 71,343, MSI Cortana GF76, 79,989 rupees. The MSI Cortana GF76 has received a 21% discount, with an additional exchange offer discount of up to 19,500 rupees. This gaming laptop sports a 17.3-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it packs an 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, coupled with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, 4GB graphics card, buy now at 79,989 rupees, MRP Rs 100,990, Acer Predator Alios 300 PH315-54, 114,990. Amazon is currently selling the Acer Predator Alios 300 PH315-54 for a discounted price of Rs. 114,990. Its 15.6-inch IPS display has a QHD 2560 by 1440 pixels resolution, 165Hz refresh rate, and 300 nits of brightness. This gaming laptop features an 11th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, paired with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, 6GB graphics card, buy now at Rs 114,990, MRP Rs 161,999. Amazon Great Indian Festival 2022 sale. Best deals on gaming computers. Lenovo IdeaCentre Gaming 590RW005DIN, 54,990 rupees. The Lenovo IdeaCentre Gaming 5 packs an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G processor with dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super, 6GB graphics card. This gaming computer is equipped with a 380W power supply along with a front and back cooling fan. There is 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. You can get your hands on this gaming computer from Lenovo at a discounted price of Rs. 54,990, buy now at 54,990 rupees, MRP 93,690 rupees, Asus ROG Strix GL10, 67,990 rupees. The Asus ROG Strix GL10 gaming computer has received a massive 43% discount during this festive season sale. It packs a 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor along with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, 4GB graphics card. This gaming computer houses 8GB of DDR4 RAM, 1TB of HDD storage, and 256GB of M.2 NVMe SSD storage. Its chassis has a transparent side panel and sports customizable Aura Sync RGB lighting. Buy now at 67,990 rupees, MRP Rs 118,990. Amazon Great Indian Festival 2022 sale. Best deals on gaming accessories. Cosmic Byte Rs wireless controller, 1,599 rupees. You can get the Cosmic Byte Rs wireless controller for PC at a 27% discount during the Amazon Great Indian Festival 2022 sale. It is said to have a wireless range of up to 8 meters and a battery life of up to 12 hours. This wireless controller is equipped with sensitive analog triggers for precision aiming while gaming. Buy now at 1,599 rupees, MRP 2,199 rupees. Corsair K55 RGB Pro Gaming Keyboard, 2,899 rupees. The Corsair K55 RGB Pro Gaming Keyboard is currently available on Amazon with a whopping 57% discount. It sports RGB backlighting with 6 onboard lighting effects. You can also customize the different lighting zone to create custom patterns.